Do you know that our 2 weeks pattern cutting challenge is going to be starting tomorrow and the class is absolutely free? You don't have any reason to miss it. We are starting tomorrow. Use the number on the screen to send a WhatsApp message immediately so that you can register for the class. If you're just watching for the first time, my name is Ojurele Mojibola and all I do here is make shoemaking easy and simple for you. So don't forget to like this video and also subscribe. Let's dive into it. I'm gonna be right back. So the first thing you're going to be doing for this design is you are going to ensure that there is a space beside. You understand? Now what I'm measuring now is I'm measuring a rectangle which is 8 by 11 centimeter. 8 by 11 centimeter, and that is what you have there. That is the rectangle. So I look for the midpoint, which is 4, then I connect the mid together. At this point I was trying to create like an opening right there of about 2 centimeter. So from what you have here, I have 2 centimeter in between that place that I just opened. The reason I actually opened that, look at the middle, is for me to make sure that it is at the center. So make sure that it's at the center. You can use anything to actually cuff it. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I extended it all around by 1.5 centimeter, and I actually cut it out. After cutting it out, I am duplicating it right now. Honestly, I don't know how my recording left out the part of extension, but I just need you to know that join the 2 weeks pattern cutting class that we're going to be commencing tomorrow, and you're going to be seeing a lot more of this, and you'll be able to understand exactly what this is all about. So please just pardon me if you are just watching for the first time. That's very unlike me. I was very surprised that I couldn't see the extension, but trust me, I'll make sure I revisit this in the pattern cutting class. As you can see, we can actually create so many designs from what we have right here. This is the first one. You can see we can create this. Of course, if you look at the screen, you'll find that the picture of what we are creating is totally different from this, but we can create this, which is number 1 out of all the designs that we have right here. So you can see what it actually looks like. So with this now, I need you to know that when it comes to pattern cutting, there are so many patterns you can actually derive from just a particular shape that you created. Look at what I have here. Now, this is another design again that you can create from this same design. Of course, this is not where we are going to. We are going to go ahead also and make sure that we actually work on the design. Now, please, I need you to know that tomorrow's class is going to be starting by 12 p.m. If you have not registered, you can't be in that class. If you have registered and you are not in class, I believe it's your fault. Probably you did not, follow the link that pop up after registration. This is the second design we have right in here. So what we're going to do here is we're going to attach that strap, and put it at the middle. Of course, I'm going to suggest that we reduce the width of that one that we are flying over it. You understand? So that it will not be too wide. If you want to use it that way, you can definitely use it, but you can reduce by either 1 centimeter or is 0.5 centimeter all around, which mine was actually 1 centimeter, and then I think it's okay like that. You understand? So please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. You see, the 2 weeks sandal pattern cutting challenge is going to be a bomb. Like I said, it's a free class and I'm going to be giving it my time, my all. Whoever is not going to make the best out of it, please don't join that class. Yes, like I said again, use the number on the screen to actually send a WhatsApp message. Don't give me a call because the call will not go through. So please just ensure you send a WhatsApp message and everything will be fine. So finally, of course, we are going to actually be inserting the one we reduced right now. Just attach it that way and then send it back. Your design is ready. I hope you have liked this video. Please make sure you like this video. Don't just watch and leave. And of course, this is what we have at the end of the day. You can actually use your a full stick or your, what do they call it, your contact cement adhesive, whatever brand you use. You can use it to hold them together like that, and that is the way you're going to actually cut the shape out. Yes, that's the way you will cut it out, because you are not stitching. If you are stitching, you will have said you want to insert and stitch. I am going to see you in tomorrow class. Bye.